Speak Finnish. I would like, equals.
Haluaisin.
Welcome. Hey do, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the ultra-useful, I would like, in Finnish.
Haluaisin.
Picture a cafe. You smile and say, I would like, a coffee, please, in Finnish, that's.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
If you say it extra politely, who knows, the barista might hand you the whole coffee machine, just kidding. Your learning goal. By the end, do can order like a polite pro. Let's compare forms, fast. Polite core phrase.
Haluaisin.
Equals I would like. More direct.
Haluan.
Equals I want. Use carefully, it can sound demanding. Soft choice.
Ottaisin.
Equals I would take. Question style.
Voisinko saada?
Equals can I get? Magic word.
Kiitos.
Equals please, thanks. Menu essentials.
Kahvi.
Equals coffee.
Tee.
Equals tea. Examples.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Slash.
Haluaisin, teen, kiitos.
Cafe mini dialogues. Let's eavesdrop on tiny scenes, repeat after me. Barista.
Mitä sais olla?
What can I get you? You.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Barista.
Selvä, yhden kahvin tulossa.
You, tea version.
Haluaisin, teen, kiitos.
Playful moment. At a Moomin cafe, even little my begins.
Haluaisin, pullan, kiitos.
Quick rhythm drill. Clap a 4-beat and groove the phrase into memory. Beat it in. Ha, lu, I, sin. Say.
Haluaisin.
Chain it.
Haluaisin.
Plus item plus.
Kiitos.
You try.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Soft variant. Say.
Ottaisin, teen, kiitos.
Question style. Say.
Voisinko saada, kahvin, kiitos.
Culture tip and memory hacks. Stay friendly, stay sauna warm. Politeness wins in Finland. Use.
Haluaisin.
For polite requests.
Haluan.
Can feel blunt. If you need the negative, try.
En haluaisi.
Equals I would not like. Memory hooks. The halo in Haluaisin. Imagine a glowing halo as you say.
Haluaisin.
And a riddle. I open doors without keys and begin your requests with ease. What am I? Answer.
Haluaisin.
Your quick quiz. Test time. Do's got this. Answer out loud. Q. How do you start a polite request in Finnish? A.
Haluaisin.
Q. Which one is more direct?
Haluaisin.
Or.
Haluan.
A.
Haluan.
Q. Complete the cafe line after.
Mitä sais olla?
A.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Q. Question style alternative to ask for tea? A.
Voisinko saada, teen, kiitos.
Bonus. Say both base nouns once.
Kahvi, tee.
Challenge time. Ready to play in the wild? Let's build your lines. Role play. You're at a bakery. Say.
Haluaisin, pullan, kiitos.
Restaurant. Politely order soup.
Haluaisin, keittoa, kiitos.
Library info.
Haluaisin, tietoa tapahtumista.
Loci trick. At your kitchen door, a glowing sign reads.
Haluaisin.
Touch it, then say your order. Contrast for awareness.
Haluan, kahvin.
Versus polite.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Hear the difference. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, do. Keep the phrase on your tongue today. Thanks for listening. Practice with a friend.
Haluaisin, kahvin, kiitos.
Or switch it up with.
Ottaisin.
And.
Voisinko saada?
For more English Finnish goodies, drills, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time, and Kitos for learning.